Now in this session we will discuss about the squaring of number using below base method. Now what is below base method? Below base method in the sense जो भी नंबर आप लोगों को 5 से अबव वाले मिलेंगे एट दी वंस प्लेसेस हाउ टू कैलकुलेट दैट. ओके, सो now in this session we will see how to square a number which is more than 5 value at the ones places. Now if you consider the ones place, if you consider the ones places, they are more than 5. मैंने नंबर लिख लिया है as it is. We are writing it. Write down number as it is. Now at this time below base method we are considering base as 20 instead of 10. 20 ले लिया. So 19 how much less than 20? 19 1 less than 20. So we did -1. Now slash. In that case what we took, जो भी वंस प्लेस था उसका स्क्वायर वी वर राइटिंग. बट इन दिस केस व्हाट वी आर टेकिंग, जो भी नंबर आपने माइनस किया है उसका स्क्वायर आपको लेना है. नाउ इफ यू डू दिस यू विल गेट 18 स्लैश 1. सिंस बेस वी आर कंसिडरिंग 20, सो 2 से हमको इधर मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. 18 2s are 36. This one as it is. Now if you write 361, so 361 is your square of the 19. I am using the below base method. Okay, फिर से I will explain it again. नंबर ले लो as it is, नंबर लिख लो. Write the base. Now base we are considering it as 20. So 19 how much less than 20? 19 1 less than 20. So we took -1. So whatever you are taking this as a minus, तो उसका ही square इधर लिख लो. So if you are taking here the square, 19 minus 1 becomes 18. 1 का square बन गया 1. यहाँ पर एक ही 0 है, so we are taking only one number. So we don't need to balance it. 18 multiplied by 2 slash 1. 18 2s are 36. 1. So write down ones place as it is. ये number as it is, तो आपको उसका square मिल जाएगा. Now we will see using the next example. 37 square. Same procedure. Write down 37 as it is. Now the base you are considering here is 40. Now this 37, if we compare with 4, it is how much less than 40? It is 3 less than 40. So we are taking 3 and 3 is square. Minus कर लो, तो this is 34. 3 3s are 9. 34 you need to multiply by 4. 34 you need to multiply by 4. Multiply कर लो. 4 4s are 16. 4 3s are 12. 1 13. So मिल गया 136 and this 9 as it is. So your answer is 1369. 1369 is your square of the number. Okay. Now we take this 58 number. Next example. Same procedure. Write down 58 as it is. Base you consider as 60. If you consider 60, 58. If you compare to 60, it is 2 less than 60. So -2 slash 2 square. ये बन गया 56. 4. Now base is 6 60. तो इसको multiply करना पड़ेगा. 6 6 6 are 36. 5 3s are 30. 33 33. 4 as it is. तो आंसर बन गया 3364. So 3364. So compared to that method, this method is relatively very easy. थोड़ा आपको प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. वो वाला जो मेथड था वो एक ही मेथड से आप कोई भी नंबर कर सकते थे. तो यू डोंट नीड टू टेक लाइक बिलो बेस मेथड, अबव बेस मेथड, कुछ इस तरह से लेने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती थी यूजिंग दैट फॉर्मूला. बट यहाँ पर 3 डिफरेंट बेस से हम लोग उसको कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं. सो इट विल बी लुक्स लाइक अ वेरी इजी थिंग. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट नंबर इफ यू टेक 99. 99 का स्क्वायर. Same procedure. Write down 99 as it is. Now base is 100. this is minus 1 slash 1 square. Now we need to balance this 1 square since we have here two zeros, so 0 1 लिखना पड़ेगा. 99 minus 1 becomes 98. Now we need to multiply this by 1. So 9801 is your answer. So 9801 is my answer, square of the number. Sorry. Now we take one more number, 108. Okay, so now we take 108 as it is. Now we take base as 110. 110 base के साथ ये बन गया -2 slash 2 square. If you do, you will get 106 multiplied by, now what you will multiply? 11 slash 4. So if you multiply 11 6 are 66, 6 11 0 to 0, 6 as it is, 11 1 11, so 11 as it is and 4. So your answer is 11664. Like this, you can take any number above base method, below base method के साथ आप किसी भी नंबर का स्क्वायर within seconds कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो using these methods. Okay, now we will see specifically number ends with 5, 15, 25 इस तरह वाले जो है ना 35, 95, 45, 85, 75, तो इसका कैसे करना है that we will see in our next session.